Okay, here we go. Question 10, U Texas. Now, I have a wire with a certain resistance. Now, what I want you to do is pretend it's not really a wire, but just pretend it's 5 resistors. Okay, so we have 5 resistors in series. It's the same thing. And we're going to split it up into 5 equal parts. So we have 5 equal resistors. Okay, now what it says is that if you put the wires all in parallel, they get you an equivalent resistance of 81. So let me make this a little better looking here. That was ugly. All right, here we go. Let's try that again. Parallel, parallel, 1, resistor 1, 2. So we're going to put all these, and remember, something in parallel, if something's in parallel, it has all the resistances, not you just add them up. You can't just add them up to get equivalent. We have to do 1 over R total. So the total resistance, though, we're working backwards this time. The equivalent resistance is 81. But the equation is 1 over R total is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 and 1 over R4 and 1 over 5. Okay? But what we're saying is that they're all equal. So they all have equal resistance to them. All right? So what I can do is ignore, so see how it's 5 equal pieces, okay? I don't have to say R1, R2, R3. We'll just say they're all the same R because they're the same value. They said they're equal. So I'm just going to erase all the numbers and say they're all the same R. Okay? Now, that means we can add those all up, the same denominator, and we have 5 over R. Okay? And if the equivalent resistance was 81, I'm going to replace it there. So I have 81 over 81 is equal to 5 over R. I can cross multiply, and I can find out the resistance of one resistor is going to be 5 times 81, or 405, I believe. Let's see. Yup. Oh, look at that. I'm right. Okay. Now we go back. That's not our final answer. That's just the resistance of one single resistor. Now we go back to the series circuit. All right. So we have the R, not RT, but R is 405. That means there's 405 here, 405 there, 405 for each resistor is 405. Okay, 405 ohms. So now I turn this into a series circuit, and in a series circuit, to get the total resistance, you add them all up. So we just add up 405 plus 405 plus 405 all the way through, because the equation for series is R total is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 all the way through. Okay? So all we have to do is add those up, or basically do 5 times 405, and we get our answer, which is going to be something like 2025. There we go, 2025. And that's it.